Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX toy. This is the detail joint. We first need to create this revolution feature. So new body, create a new document. Okay. Select revolve, select YZ plane. Then we create arc, constraint coincident, constraint 2-point horizontal. Then we make dimension 54, and this point to X. Delete. Consider this point on Z. Dimension 27. 2-point distance. $15.8. Select this. Close the sketch. Constraint vector. The radius 50. Constraint coincident. Okay, the sketch is following constraint. We finish the sketch. Then we select Y. Okay. Next, we need to create this side. Extrude. Select this face. Then we create parallel 6. Make dimension 42. This finish. The dimension is 19 minus sorry, we need 19. First distance 0, subject unit. Okay. Next, we need to create a hole. Hole 27. So, extrude, select this face. Create a circle. Delete the constraint tension. Delete. Constraint point 2. Delete the tangent. Dimension. Finish. Reverse direction until next subject. Okay. Next we need to select Extrude 2 and 3. You need hold Ctrl select to future and select a mirror future. Then we select XZ plane. Okay. Nice. Next we need to create the sketch. Revolve, select Y XZ plane. Concentrate this point on Y and make dimension 5 mm. Width 24. This distance not, so we select delete. Concentrate on Y. This point to this point. Distance 35. And this 36 to the center. This distance 45. Finish. Then we select the unit. Okay. Next, edge blend. Select this edge 9 mm. Okay. So next we need to create the hole. Select this face. Create a circle. Delete the constraint tangent. Diameter 38. Finish. Revolve direction. The start direction is 9 mm and the second 29. Subject. Okay. Next we need to create 20 the hole. Select 27. Select this point. Okay. Next edge blend. Select this edge 5 mm. Create a hole 22. Select this. Okay. Chamfer the edge. Symmetrical 1.5. Select this edge. Okay. NX edge blend 5 mm. Three millimeter. Okay, nice. Need grade here 3 mm or 2 mm. We need conch, so you can see it view and here. Change the appearance. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.